Every year in India, 1.2 crore students graduate, yet only 42 lakh students are employable. While higher education plays a crucial role in the overall framework, neglecting outcome-based learning can lead to unemployment. CEOs across the world have expressed concern about fresh graduates lacking specific skills necessary for growth, innovation, and meeting quality standards. In the year 2022 to 2023, Germany reported about 468,000 apprentices in 2022. Australia had about 241,000. The US had 6 lakhs apprentices. France had 8,37,000 and the UK had about 7,40,000 apprentices. Considering India's population aged 20 to 30 of approx 25-40 lakh, only 7.4 lakh are apprentices. Degree apprenticeships sit at the intersection of education and employability, where the learner completes his degree with on-site, online and on-the-job learning, better equipped for the job market. The National Education Policy 2020 has set the foundation for more universities to come forward and launch degree apprenticeship programs. NEP 2020 has integrated degree apprenticeship programs into mainstream education. TeamLease EdTech Degree Apprenticeship Program bridges the gap between education and employability. By completing an apprenticeship, students will have the opportunity to apply what they have learned in real-world situations and gain valuable hands-on experience, ultimately building a successful career through work experience. Nearly a quarter of candidates who work as apprentices get employed in full-time roles within the same company. Degree apprenticeships can improve your institute's outcomes by attracting more students and increasing retention rates, improving job placement rates and enhancing your institute's reputation, offering a more engaging and motivating learning experience for students, promoting greater diversity and inclusivity, enhancing your institute's branding and attracting more students and industry partners, building stronger industry relationships and aligning your curriculum with employer needs, addressing skills gaps in specific industries and producing highly employable graduates. Benefits of degree apprenticeships for students include earning a stipend while learning, gaining hands-on experience, developing a network of professional contacts, earning a degree in a relevant field, and becoming employable. To make India employable, we have also formed a public-private partnerships with National Skill Development Corporation, Government of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh State Council for Higher Education, Government of Telangana, CSC, Amtron. Our goal is to create apprenticeship opportunities for students across the country. Join our 60+ leading partner universities and be a part of our community. With 6 lakh students empowered with education and employability skills and 62,000 apprentices gaining work experience through our partner companies, each day, we are getting closer to our mission of making India employable. Our top 10 corporate partners are driving positive change in the world of apprenticeship through strategic partnerships and a shared vision for innovation. Their collective efforts inspire, empower, and pave the way for a brighter future. Join us in solving the skills crisis and ensuring a bright future for young graduates.